Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Josephine and Cabo Verde. I'm a Nigerian living in Santa Maria precisely. If you're just coming across this channel and you love my videos along, you can kindly subscribe, comment, like and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel because you are gonna love it. It's all about Cabo Verde. Do you know where Cabo Verde Island is located? No. Sometimes I tell people I live in Cabo Verde. They could say, where is that? Is that the name of a city in South Africa? My videos are all channels talking about Cabo Verde, so you know where this beautiful country is located. Sometimes I was in a live stream on TikTok. People were mentioning where they live. Immediately I mentioned Cabo Verde. They were like, where is that? We haven't heard of that name before. Cabo Verde is a country that shares borders between Guinea-Bissau, Mauritania, Gambia and Senegal. It's a member of ECOWAS state. When we say ECOWAS, Economic Community of West African Countries. If you are coming to Cabo Verde, every of the requirements, do I need a visa? I already shared video on it. Catch it up. But before I go further, how do I look after treating sunburn? My face is giving. I haven't rubbed cream for 8 days. My gosh, I have been suffering here in Cabo Verde. Watch my videos on updates, realities of living here in Cabo Verde, and the sunburn cream I apply to my face, and I'm still on it. Today's video is a very beautiful update you need to watch. If you want to come to Cabo Verde, you think of coming to Cabo Verde, you are already here in Cabo Verde as an immigrant, this video is for you. How to make millions. You are going to make millions with this business. It's all about dirty business. You can call it small business as you want, but it's all about small business that fetch money here in Cabo Verde, living here on SA. It's every of my experiences living here in this beautiful country. I saw it and I'm here to share it with you guys. If you are living here in Santa Maria in the whole of SA, you will be able to testify. We got 10 islands here in Cabo Verde, of which one of them is uninhabited. The name of that island is Santa Lucia. I love living in Cabo Verde. I love my life here in Cabo Verde. It's a simple living, but also expensive. So guys, what are these dirty businesses that you should do when you relocate to Cabo Verde? Think of this business. You are going to make millions from it. Whenever I say millions, when you convert the currency, Cabo Verde uses escudos and euros. You convert it to your country's currency, you are going to be a millionaire in 1 month. What are these businesses and how you make money from them is what I will be talking about. There is something we call zobo leaf, which is known as risotto leaf in English. I don't know if the scientific name I just call is correct. You can correct me in the comment section. Zobo leaf, when you cook it, as a Nigerian, we do it in Nigeria. We sell it, we buy it, maybe in the school, on your street, on the road, at the market, the busiest bus stop. When you come to Cabo Verde, these zobo drinks, they put them in all these little ragolis. There are places for you to buy those bottles, like all these cola bottles. You gather them, you buy it from these people. You start making your zobo with your risotto leaf. You use sugar. You just know how to do it. You know how to mix zobo drink. Put it in a cooler. There are places to sell ice blocks here in Cabo Verde, or if you got fridge in the apartment you live in, you can fill your cooler with this and carry it out. When you reach anywhere in the island, tell people that this is what you sell. You don't even need to tell people. As you carry it on your head, they will tell you that they want to buy. As I'm talking to you today, I bought 3 of that. That is what I drink, or I drank. You can sell it for 50 cents or €1. Just imagine if you do that every day in a period of 1 week. You don't even need to sell for anybody. You don't even need to work for anybody. You are going to be making your sweet school money. That is a dirty business you can do here in Cabo Verde. The other dirty business here I think you should think of, you are going to make millions from it. This is tiger nuts. When you come here to Cabo Verde, there are these Senegalese people. There is a place they buy this tiger nut. Or if you have somebody in your country, in Nigeria, that can weaving this tiger nut, you do it. You know how to make a tiger nut. It's being modified to English standard. We Africans, there are some things we neglect. Make it the way you make the zobo drink, the risotto leaf. put it in the can or in the plastic, sell it. You can sell it 50 cents or €1. You are going to make money alongside with the zobo. You are going to make millions from it. People that are into this business here in Cabo Verde, here on SAR, they are making millions in it. There is a woman, she is from Guinea-Bissau. More of these Guinea-Bissau people and Senegalese are into this. Nigerians are not into this. I'm here to share this awareness as a Cameroonian. You are Nigerian, you are from any other African country, you are coming here to Cabo Verde, to SAR, any of the island you are going to make millions from this business. There is this thing I want to tell you. You don't have to think, oh, I need to go and work as a hotelier. Sometimes do your own business where anyone will not command you. You may see it like, oh, somebody will laugh at you, like, do you even care? You are making your own money. You are making your own cash. Nobody sends you. Nobody sends your papa here in Cabo Verde. You have the right to trade whatever business you want. Besides, you are making your money. In any way you look, that business fetch money here in Cabo Verde. The other business here, sip your wine, sip your juice, you are gonna think like, what is she saying? Like, what is she saying? But I bet you are gonna make millions from this business. There's this thing we call shin, kind of those people that know how to make shin very well. When you come to Cabo Verde, you tie the shin 50 cents or €1. You are going to make millions from it. There is this Nigerian lady now who sells it here on SAR. Did you know that immediately she started selling it? There is a Cameroonian woman who is married to a Cape Verdean. When she sees that people buys this chin a lot from this Nigerian lady, she's somebody who got a kiosk. She sell other things. As I'm talking to you, right from that moment, she saw that this lady sells this chin. She starts selling it. You see, that is business idea. And this lady, I'm telling you, she's still selling it till date. If you tie like 100 of that, just imagine 50 cents. You do this every day. Let's assume you sell it 4 times in a week. You earn money times 3, times 4 of what they are going to pay you at your place of work. This is something known as tea, coffee. They call it chá in the Portuguese language. This tea and coffee, when you come to Cabo Verde, you are this person who got a cola, like those flasks, and it could get hot for 5 hours, for 3 hours, for 2 hours. Sometimes it's not even up to. When you come to Cape Verde, you can even buy it. If you get to Senegal, you get to Benin, or you are coming from Nigeria, or you are coming from Ghana, you are coming from any of the country you are coming from. This selling of tea is mostly done by these guys, these Senegalese guys, and 2 other ladies I knew here that are into this thing. Nigerians don't do it. If you come here to Cabo Verde, you are going to make money from selling of tea and chá. How do you sell it? You go in the morning, you go in the evening. That is, you carry this tea. They know that this is what you say. As you walk past, you walk by, they call you, please come and give me tea. Everybody wants something that is hot. As I'm talking to you, you must have seen the shot I made where I always talk that drinking tea is a kind of routine. You must have seen the video I made where I talk about culture shock. Drinking of tea early in the morning, or drinking of coffee, tea or coffee in the morning, is a necessity. As I'm talking to you guys, before I started talking, I went out to buy this tea or this coffee from this Senegalese guy who do that business here in Cabo Verde, here on SAR. You are going to make millions. This Senegalese guy, if you know Santa Maria very well, close to the Eco Bank, this is the Eco Bank. His business just gone the Eco Bank, the window of the Eco Bank, and this guy's selling of tea business just gone each other. This man is a married man. He is making his cool, silent money. You don't need to be ashamed, except you are coming to Cabo Verde to do something contrary. If you are doing something contrary, now you sabi, you are an adult. When you are up to 19 to 20 years, you come to Cabo Verde, you choose that this is the kind of lifestyle you want to live. It's all left for you. That is what you choose. You are a big man, you are a big woman. But I'm here to tell you that when you come to Cabo Verde to start, you don't need to complain. Whatever island you are, for those of you complaining, there are no jobs, there are no dizzy, there are no that Nigerian lady who just entered this business, she has been testifying it, that she loves it, and if she doesn't love it, and if she's not making money from it, she would have stopped. Yes, she's still making money from it, and she's still in the business. What are you waiting for? There are many business opportunities when you come to Cabo Verde. Catch up my video on the lucrative business and the skills and handwork that you can make millions from here in Cabo Verde. You see this selling of tea, this selling of coffee, this selling of risotto leaf, this selling of tiger nut, you are going to make money from it. The other one again I need to add to this that you are going to make money from. Oh my God, if you are this person who sells bitter cola, this bitter cola, most of these guys, they like to buy it. As you are even selling the tea, you can carry the bitter cola along. If you are this person who is into making of these snacks, you know how to make egg roll, fish roll, like those kind of snacks of a thing, like pop-off, buns, like as they call it. These are other data business that you can make money from here in Cabo Verde. Add it to it. The other business that you can also make money from living here in this SAR, in Cabo Verde here, this is moi moi. You are this person who is very, very, very well in cooking moi moi. When we say moi moi, it's bean cake. There's something we call akara. This is bean cake, and moi moi, they are all kind of made out from beans. You cook it, while the other one, moi moi, is being cooked with pepper, and you put oil, like groundnut oil, while the akara is also bean cake. You put your pepper, you put your oil. One is cooked while the other one is being fried. When you do that here, when the Nigerians, those that are used to the moi moi and the akara, they will be patronizing you. You will see how much you are going to make. And the very beautiful thing is that you don't even need to have a shop. You don't even need to have a shop. You can do it from your house. After doing it, it's a kind of younger business, like show off kind of business. You dress yourself, you carry your market, you start selling to people. When a man sees you with this business, they are even going to respect you more. They are even going to empower you. Which man will see a lady hustling, making money for herself, and will not love her, and will not like her? You are going to make money from it. These are the dirty business here in Santa Maria, here on Sa Island, that you can make millions from. If there's another business idea you think that, oh, this is a dirty business, you also need to add, or if I remember anyone, I'm also going to pile them up and come up with that video. How is it like watching this video? Catch up my updates on culture shocks, how Cabo Verde changed my life, what you need to know about Cabo Verde before you relocate to Cape Verde. It's not just a place you watch videos and you start running that. No. If you don't understand this island, you are going to miss it. So guys, I come your way again. I still remain Josephine and Cabo Verde. How do I look? Hey, how do I look? I know you love what is that. I know you love what you saw. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye.